Ever walk out of the grocery store with a lighter wallet and a fridge full of mystery bags? You're not alone. Cash can be a budgeting enigma. It feels tangible, immediate, but disappears faster than a receipt in the dryer. That's where budgeting apps like Rocket Money come in. They help you track every penny, categorize spending, and even snag subscriptions hiding in the shadows of your bank account. But what if you're a die-hard cash user? Can Rocket Money keep up with your greenbacks? The short answer, not directly. Currently, Rocket Money can't integrate cash transactions. But fear not, cash comrades. This video will explore some creative workarounds and alternative strategies to keep your budget on track, even with those delightful bills burning a hole in your pocket. So, why can't Rocket Money handle cash? There are a few technical hurdles. Unlike bank accounts and credit cards, there's no central system tracking cash flow. It's a physical exchange outside the digital realm Rocket Money operates in. However, that doesn't mean you have to ditch the app altogether. Here's where we get clever. Cash envelope system, tech-light budgeting. Remember the days of budgeting with actual envelopes? It might sound old school, but this method can be surprisingly effective, especially when paired with Rocket Money. Here's how it works. Categorize your spending: groceries, gas, entertainment. List out your regular cash expenses. Assign envelopes: grab some envelopes or decorate your own. Label each with a spending category. Withdraw cash: at the beginning of each week or month, withdraw a designated amount for each category. Track in Rocket Money. Even though you can't directly add cash transactions, you can still use Rocket Money to monitor your overall spending. Set up budget categories that match your envelopes. Record keeping: when you use cash, jot down the amount and category in a notebook or on your phone. Later, manually add these transactions in Rocket Money as cash spent in the appropriate category. This might seem like extra work, but it has its advantages. The physical act of withdrawing cash makes you more mindful of spending. Seeing a dwindling envelope full of receipts is a powerful motivator to stick to your budget. Hybrid approach: cash for some, app for others. Maybe the envelope system feels overwhelming. No worries. You can leverage Rocket Money's strengths for specific categories and manage cash for others. For example, use Rocket Money to track bills, subscriptions, and recurring expenses paid electronically. Then, allocate a designated cash amount for groceries or entertainment, keeping those transactions separate. This hybrid approach gives you the benefits of automated tracking and the control of cash for specific spending areas. Cash forecasting: plan your bills ahead. Another strategy is to get proactive with cash. Before withdrawing, use Rocket Money to project your upcoming bills and essential expenses. Subtract that amount from your total budgeted cash to determine how much you have for flexible spending. This planning helps you avoid overspending cash and ensures you have enough for those non-negotiable bills. Third-party cash management apps. There are also third-party cash management apps that specialize in tracking cash transactions. These apps often employ manual entry or photo receipt capture to record your spending. You can then potentially export this data to Rocket Money to get a more holistic view of your finances. Remember, consistency is key. No matter the approach you choose, the most crucial factor is consistency. Regularly update your cash spending in Rocket Money, review your progress, and adjust your budget as needed. The power of cash: embracing its advantages. Cash isn't the enemy of budgeting. It can actually be a valuable tool. Here are some benefits to consider. Mindful spending: cash transactions force you to be present and aware of how much you're spending. Avoiding debt: using cash eliminates the temptation of overspending with credit cards. Impulse control: the physical presence of cash discourages impulsive purchases. The final tally: cash and Rocket Money, can they coexist? Absolutely. While Rocket Money can't directly integrate cash transactions, with a little creativity in these workarounds, you can still leverage the app's budgeting power and keep your cash spending in check. Remember, the best budgeting method is the one that works for you. So, experiment, find a system that suits your lifestyle, and watch your finances flourish. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.